Unveiling the future, what life as a developer in 2026 looks like. Generated by Oracl AI, ready to record. Title options. 1. Life as a developer in 2026, the future unveiled tech. 2. 2026 Developer's Guide, what your code will look like code. 3. Peek into the future, life of a developer in 2026 future tech. Thumbnail concept. A vibrant, futuristic thumbnail with a developer in the foreground coding on a holographic interface, surrounded by advanced technology and AI elements like self-driving cars, drones, and virtual reality gadgets. The text should be bold and clean, with a pop of neon color against a dark background. The facial expression should convey excitement and curiosity. Hook script, first 30 seconds. On-screen text, are you ready to dive into the future? Exciting music plays. Narrator, smiling, energetic welcome back, coders. Imagine a world where technology has advanced beyond our wildest dreams. Today, we're taking a journey into 2026 to unveil what life as a developer looks like. Full video script. All times are approximate. Midnight to 0:30 intro, hook plus main topic introduction. Narrator, imagine a world where the lines between physical and digital are blurred, where AI is an integral part of our lives, and coding has evolved in ways we can't even fathom yet. That's the future we're diving into today. B-roll suggestion, futuristic cityscape, holographic interfaces. 0:31 to 2 o'clock the interface, how coding interfaces will change. Narrator, in 2026, developers won't be limited by screens. We'll be working on holographic interfaces, augmented and virtual reality environments. B-roll suggestion, developer using a holographic interface, AR/VR headsets. 2:01 to 3:30 AI collaboration, how developers will work with AI. Narrator, artificial intelligence will no longer be just tools for developers. It'll become our colleagues, helping us write code and make decisions. B-roll suggestion, AI algorithms, AI systems making decisions. 3:31 to 5 o'clock quantum computing, the impact of quantum computing on development. Narrator, quantum computing will revolutionize the way we code. It'll solve complex problems in a fraction of the time. B-roll suggestion, quantum computers, complex problem-solving visuals. 5:01 to 6:30 Ethics and privacy, the role of developers in maintaining privacy and ethical standards. Narrator, as technology advances, so does the responsibility on developers to ensure privacy and maintain ethical standards. B-roll suggestion, developers discussing privacy concerns, secure coding visuals. 6:31 to 7 o'clock closing, recap plus call to action. Narrator, that's a glimpse into the future of development. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights. Video description. Title, Life as a Developer in 2026, the Future Unveiled Tech. First 2 lines, get ready to dive into the future of development. Explore what life as a developer will look like in 2026. Timestamps, midnight introduction, 1:38 the interface, 3:06 AI collaboration, 5:04 quantum computing, 6:37 ethics and privacy, 7 o'clock closing. Affiliate, coding books, affiliate, programming tools, affiliate, quantum computing kits, affiliate, AI development platforms. Hashtags, future tech, development, AI, quantum computing, coding. Tags. Developer, future tech, coding, 2026, artificial intelligence, AI, quantum computing, holographic interface, augmented reality, virtual reality, ethics, privacy, technology. Pinned comment. First comment to pin. Question, what do you think life as a developer in 2026 will be like? Let's discuss in the comments. End screen script. Last 20 seconds. Narrator, don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your developer friends. Thanks for watching.